Good morning from SIARGAO. We have a few errands we're running this morning. Have to bring this motorcycle, our friend's motorcycle, in for some repair and then bring our laundry. And we'll take you guys with us. Let's go. Three-legged dog walks into a bar in Arkansas. May pumasok na tubig at some water got in the muffler. This is where we often have repairs done on our motorcycles. It's on the back road near the fire station, if you know where that is. The regulator needs to be replaced. That's why the lights and electric parts aren't working on the motorbike. Time to bring the laundry. Trying a new laundry shop today, recommended by our friends. Apparently it smells really good and they wash really good. It costs 50 pesos per kilo here. So we had about 10, almost 11 kilos, so around 500 pesos. We'll see the results tomorrow.
Long time no see, Molly now.
We need some new pans for cooking, so we found this place all of a sudden besides the road. Gonna check out their pans. This is Tag Grocery, sometimes a place that we go to do some grocery shopping. If we need something quick, we come here to do a little bit of grocery shopping to Savers. It's right along the main road. This is Isla Cocina. It's kind of one of the more fancy restaurants here, but what a lot of people don't know is that they sell good priced bread, loaves of bread, and also pastries and desserts for, you know, 30 pesos. Loaf of bread is like 85 pesos. So sometimes we buy our bread from here, from Isla Cocina.
Sabi niya, tagal pa ba?
Ready to go? Ay, naka-record pa.
Yan ang aming friend, si Dancer Ray. Oh yes, yeah, I love. So that, yes.
Picking up the motor before we head home. Now it can start automatically without the kick. Yeah, yeah. And the horn works. And the lights work, the signals. Making our own beef tapa burritos for lunch here. We have a friend that is part of the business selling this beef tapa thing, so we took some photos for her and we're eating the beef tapa now. So yummy. Yummy. It's the next morning. Hen and I are headed to Ilakai Hostel where they have a gym, and we're gonna do some boxing and also film Coach Mike. This is Ilakai Hostel and they have a gym right here. This is where a lot of people come to work out. Then if you want to do boxing, check out the Island Boxer on Instagram. He's really good boxing coach and a really good boxer. He does fights and stuff, so it's really cool. If you're looking for a good place to eat ramen while you're here on the island, check out Hakata Ramen. We're having a little ramen date tonight.
Mosh mosh. それはhakata ramen.
The chef here is actually from Japan. So come try Hakata if you're into ramen.
We're picking up our laundry.
Let's see if it is good.
Ano?
I'm about to go head out to surf. I'm renting a surfboard this month. It's my first time consistently surfing. It's a lot of fun and really good exercise. It's been a crazy past couple of weeks. We haven't really been able to do any filming or vlogging. We actually went to Bali to take some photos of our friends who are getting married soon. We just got back to SIARGAO a couple days ago. Hannah's doing some planting here, and there's a lot of things coming up here in SIARGAO. Here in General Luna, they're having their fiesta next week, so that's going to be really fun to film. And then also the international surfing competition is coming up in mid-October. There's also some local surfing competitions coming up in a couple of weeks. We're gonna try to make more videos of our life here in SIARGAO, giving more updates, trying to help people that are coming here, visiting. Let us know if you have any questions at all. We're definitely willing to help. Just send us a message or leave a comment here on YouTube. Hopefully this video is helpful and hope you enjoyed watching it. Thanks so much. We'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye.